The ITIG III uses surge and PD tests to find insulation weakness sooner. Get the warning you need to prevent unplanned downtime and control operating costs. Overvoltage tests, such as surge and PD, find weaknesses sooner than tests below operating voltage. The ITIG III uses a high-frequency up to 50 Hz surge test, which finds more cases of insulation weakness. The surge test is the only test that can find turn-to-turn insulation weaknesses. If undetected, these weaknesses can cause shorts and lead to complete motor failure. PD measurements provide the earliest indicator of insulation breakdown. The ITIG III uses advanced algorithms and digital signal processing to automate the PD test, making it quick and easy with no accessories required. PD is used as a predictive maintenance tool by trending measurements over time. For example, if RPDIV trends downward in medium and high voltage motors, that's a red flag. Operators, asset managers, and predictive maintenance professionals in wind energy, mining, oil and gas, and many other industries can plan maintenance and downtime rather than risk unplanned outages.